Welcome back, everyone. And in this video, we'll be looking at conditional statements. Now, conditional statements are statements that get executed whenever a condition is true. For example, if you tell someone to get you something in a store and they have it, tell the person buys it. But if they don't have that particular stuff you sent the person to buy, the person doesn't buy the stuff. Hopefully that you get the explanation. So if a value is true, you return a particular line of code or block of code for your users. And if it's false, you just ignore those code. So right here, the condition statement we want to use is the if. There are many condition statements. We also have the switch, which we will be looking in the next video. And right here we just have age. I've gone ahead and declared this variable. So this has the name of Matt and age of 18. So I want to say if age is greater than 18, that means the user is above 18 years. So that means the user can drink in UK. But if it's less than 18, the user cannot uh, drink in UK. So hopefully this makes sense to you. Let's just use equal or greater than right here. So this value we check if the age is greater than 18 or the age is equal to 18. So right here you can just say echo so this user is free to drink in UK because his age is greater than 18 or equal to 18, but not free to drink in the United States of America. The drinking age in USA is 21. So hopefully you're getting this explanation, and let's just go over here and refresh, and you can see the user you're free to drink in UK. Now let's just say S. So what happens if this age is less than 18? Let's just say the age is 17 and we refresh. This is returning a false value. That means this block of code is being ignored. Now the next thing we want to do is actually check S. S means if this block of code is returning false, then run this. But if it is returning true, ignore this. So let's say echo you are below the drinking age. So hopefully this makes sense, and if we should refresh, you can see you are below the drinking age because this particular line return false. Now if we should change this to 19, which is above 18, you can see you are free to drink in UK. So hopefully this makes sense to you. And the other thing I want us to look at is the if statement. So what if this user is above 21? That means it's also free to drink in the USA. So let's just go ahead and say if the user is equal or greater than 18, that means you're free to drink in UK. And also if the age, so we use the ElseIf statement. So we can also give another condition with the ElseIf statement. Age is greater or equal to 21. So this will be echo this is how you do it, and you can echo you are free to drink in both UK and USA. So if and none of this statement is true, Then we can use our s, and let's say you are below drinking age. So hopefully this makes sense to you, and if we should run this, you're only free to drink in the UK. And if we now bring this age to be like 22, and let's just see that you are free to drink in UK. And the reason is 22 is still greater than 18. That means this block of code is returning true, is being executed, and it is ignoring the rest of it. So right here, we're just going to say and $age is less than 21. So this, if the age is now less than 21, so if the age is less than 21, this will return false. So for now, you can see you are free. We didn't get the spelling. Yeah, this is it. You are free to drink in UK and USA. But if the age is now less than 21, which is 20, you can see you are free to drink in the UK. So hopefully this makes sense to you. And yeah, this is how you write if statement, condition statement in PHP. And I'll see you in next video, guys.